Welcome to another insightful episode. I'm Ryan Chan, CEO and founder of UpKeep. Today we will dive deep into the world of inventory management. If you've ever wondered about the key metrics to track or how to optimize your maintenance inventory effectively, stay tuned because I will be revealing 5 crucial metrics that you should prioritize. Whether you're a retail organization or a maintenance, repair, and operations department, this video will offer valuable insights tailored to your needs. Let's dive into the exciting world of inventory management, and specifically, what metrics are most important to keep an eye on. The techniques to manage inventory can vary greatly depending on the type of inventory being kept and the nature of the business. For instance, a retail organization keeping stock to sell would manage inventory differently than a maintenance, repair, and operations or MRO department stocking up on spares. So what are some of the most crucial metrics to prioritize in terms of maintenance inventory management? Let's talk about 5 of them. First up, we have inventory turns. This is also known as inventory turnover, and it's a measure of how quickly stock is being used. You can calculate this by taking the value of stock purchased over a period of time and dividing it by the current value of the stock on hand. This gives you an estimate of how much stock is being replenished, and therefore provides insights on how fast inventory is flowing through. Best practice values can range from 1 when considering the total inventory to 3 when considering inventory without critical spares. Next, we have inventory accuracy. It's crucial to accurately monitor the current value of stock in the warehouse. If actual physical stock is not accurately represented in analysis reports, planning efforts are put to waste. The most obvious way to check inventory accuracy is through performing inventory counts. Though effective, this method can be extremely inefficient. To ensure inventory accuracy while significantly reducing the effort required, an efficient tagging procedure such as a barcode system can be used to track the physical movement of stock. Here's a tip. Using inventory management software can keep track of your inventory purchases and usages as your purchase orders and/or work orders are issued. The third metric to consider is stock out occurrences. Having spares in stock makes way for seamless maintenance procedures. Depending on a spare's criticality, a stock out occurrence can cause serious downtime. Remember that not all spares can be bought off the shelf. Therefore, some spares have the potential to hold up operations for long periods of time. Tracking the occurrences of stockouts can give the team insights on the amount of time they can save by improving inventory management. Best practices for inventory stockouts is less than 2% of total inventory requests. The fourth metric is inventory value. It makes sense to keep track of stock not only based on quantities, but also on monetary value. By maximizing the features of your computerized maintenance management system, or CMMS, the value of inventory on hand can be more easily tracked and calculated. Inventory value can be compared to the estimated plant replacement value, or PRV, to put the costs in context and have a feel for whether you are holding too much or too little. The Society for Maintenance and Reliability Professionals, or SMRP, best practices suggest the inventory value to be less than 1.5% of the PRV. Last but not least, we have obsolete inventory. As an extension of keeping track of your inventory value, it's important to also know how much of it is becoming obsolete. Obsolete inventory includes products that a company had purchased that can no longer be used or sold. Spares that are obsolete incur costs without providing useful value. So there you have it. 5 crucial metrics to prioritize in terms of maintenance inventory management: inventory turns, inventory accuracy, stock out occurrences, inventory value, and obsolete inventory. Keep these in mind, and you'll be well on your way to successful inventory management. Thank you for staying with us until the end of this video. We've covered the 5 crucial metrics for effective inventory management: inventory turns, inventory accuracy, stock out occurrences, inventory value, and obsolete inventory. We hope you found this information valuable. Make sure to subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. For more resources and information, visit our website at upkeep.com. See you in our next video.